G'day and welcome back to Aeroflow. Today I want to go over our hardline and our hardline fitting options. Our hardline is available in 3 different finishes. You've got your raw aluminium, black anodized aluminium and stainless steel. If you're using ethanol or race-blended fuels, we recommend the use of our black anodized or stainless steel hardline. Some of the Aeroflow tools we'll be using today include our vice jaws, aluminium wrenches, aero seal, pipe cutter, 37-degree flare tool and our tube straightener. For ease of shipping, our hardline is shipped in coils. What you want to do is measure the amount of hardline required and gently unroll it by hand. Aeroflow sell this handy tube straightener that will help you quickly straighten your tube. Start with opening the tube straightener so you can insert the tube through all the rollers. Gently tighten down till you feel the pressure applied on the rollers. Roll the tube all the way in and out, slightly increasing pressure to straighten the tube. Once you're happy with how straight the tube is, release the pressure off the rollers and remove the tube from the straightener. Now it's time to cut the hardline to length. Grab the Aeroflow pipe cutters. Apply a light pressure to the cutting disc onto the tube. Do a rotation for a guide, slowly increasing pressure of the blade with every rotation. Once you've cut your hardline, you will need to deburr the inside edge. Our Aeroflow cutters come with a deburring tool that simply flips up and allows you to clean up the inside edge of your line. Aeroflow offer 2 different options to adapt to AN softline. You've got your hardline adapters that are available in a male and a female AN flare that seal on a ferrule, and then you've got your tube nut and tube sleeve which require the use of a 37-degree flaring tool. For today's demonstration we'll be using a male hardline adapter. You want to start with using aero seal on the thread. Then you slide your socket nut over your hardline, followed by your ferrule, and being sure to push your AN adapter all the way over the hardline. Start the threads by hand. Now using your appropriate sized aluminium wrenches, tighten up the fitting, being sure to crush the olive for a perfect seal. Now you've got a male end that you can easily adapt to your flexible AN lines. Another option to adapt your hardline to soft flexible AN lines is using a tube nut and tube sleeve. This requires you to run a 37-degree flare on the hardline by using our 37-degree flare tool. First you want to slide over the tube nut and then you'll slide over the tube sleeve, remembering the 37-degree taper goes towards the flare. Next we grab our flare tool. We make sure the cam is rotated for the correct diameter hardline. We lower it over the hardline using our depth gauge and then we lock it into place. Now screw your flaring head down into the top of the tube to create your flare. Do it up till it's nice and tight. You'll see the flare touch the edge of the cams. Now unscrew your head and unlock the tool and remove it. Now that we've done our 37-degree flare, that will mate nicely up to your AN fitting. Slide up the tube sleeve behind the flare and lock it into place with your tube nut. Don't forget to lubricate your threads. Now you can use your aluminium wrenches to tighten the fitting. We hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website or our YouTube channel. See you next time.